Hello everyone, let's talk about what's the difference between the words whirl and swirl and why you can say let's give it a whirl but you can't say let's give it a swirl. First off, the definitions or meanings of these words. Both of them mean practically the same, moving in circles, but the main difference is whirl is an energetic movement, while swirl mostly associated with water and rumors, because rumors like water spreading quickly and fast, and because of it, you can say rumors swirling, but you can't say let's give it a swirl because it sounds like exactly like this. You see this lake over there? We're gonna get there, mess with water, make some eddies or a vortex, and yeah, it sounds quite funny. But when it comes to a whirl, it sounds like you're gonna be a real part of something, an active participant. You're gonna try yourself in something new, in something exciting. You're exhilarated about it, and because of it, let's give it a try. Let's give it a whirl. Both synonyms, they mean practically the same, but let's give it a whirl. It's some kind of fancy way to say let's give it a try. And that's pretty much all about it for today. And now you have a clear picture about these words and how to use them. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.